Okay, so on the second part, we're going to talk about actually doing some multiplication. Now, this is going to be straight calculator work. And so in this, it says to find AB, where we're multiplying two different matrices together. So let me grab my calculator and show you how we're going to do this. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm going to hit second x negative 1, and then I'm going to change the edit for matrix A, and I'm first going to put in my rows and columns at the top, which is a 2 by 2. Then in each of the boxes, I'm going to enter my numbers, 3, 2, -7, and 8. Okay, I'm going to do the same process over for matrix B. But this time, after I hit second X1, edit, I'm going to be editing B. Again, it's a 2 by 2 on the top, rows and columns. Okay, and then I'm going to type in my numbers, which were 3, 2, -7, and 8. Oh, it's the same ones. After I have typed them in, I'm going to hit second. I'm going to go to my main screen. Okay. So here I'm just checking to make sure everything's input right, and I can see that A and B have been input, it tells me. So now I'm just going to go to my main screen by hitting mode and clear. And once I get to the main screen, I know I need to do a multiplication problem here. So I'm going to go second x1. And this time I'm not editing, I just hit the A. And then I'm going to do times. And I'm going to go second x1. And this time I want to multiply it by B. So I select the B, enter, and the calculator will give me my answer. So I know that the answer for number 5 is -5, 22, -77, 50. And we're done here. I'm going to go ahead and throw up the steps on the left-hand side, but I would like you to try the rest of these problems on your own. Here are the steps. And like I said, go ahead and try the rest of these problems on your own.